I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to your eHarmony account. For that, first of all, open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search eHarmony.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on eHarmony's website. Here you can see that you can log into your account with Facebook, Apple or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with email. For that, firstly enter your email address that is linked to your account. Then enter your eHarmony's password. After you are done, tap on login. This way you can log into your eHarmony's account. Now you can review and communicate with your matches. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.